Welcome to the Baby Cubby. My name is Baylee and I'm a certified Cubby mom here at our store. And today we are going to review the Veer Cruiser XL wagon. But before we do, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment any question you might have about this product. Now let's get started. The Veer Cruiser XL is the larger version of the popular Veer Cruiser. This wagon is a great stroller alternative as it handles tough terrains and holds a lot of weight. The main upgraded feature of the Cruise XL is that it can now seat up to 4 children instead of 2. Each seat has a capacity of 55 pounds and it's 4 inches wider than the original. However, the Cruiser XL's cargo capacity is the same as the original, being 300 total pounds. You may be wondering how this wagon can now sit up to 4 children. This was achieved by eliminating the side cubbies in order to make more room. The seat surface is actually 5% wider than most popular 4-seater wagons, which is an amazing feature we know you'll love. Now let's go over some other features. When it comes to safety, the Cruiser XL passes a variety of safety standards and is JPMA stroller certified. It has 4 3-point safety harnesses for ultimate security and a one-touch foot brake that is flip-flop friendly. It also has an adjustable telescopic handlebar with a beautiful ergonomic design. One thing we love about Veer is that they provide an amazing variety of accessories for their wagon. One included accessory is the snack tray, which is easily removable. The Cruiser XL is the same length as the original, so they can accommodate some of the same accessories. Other popular accessories have been adapted for XL size. This wagon is truly rugged as it includes materials that are stain and fade resistant. It is even water repellent and provides a footwell for extra leg comfort, but also for easy drainage in the event of a spill. Some of our favorite accessories are the car seat adapters from popular stroller brands. With an infant car seat, the weight capacity ranges from birth to 55 pounds and height limit of 45 inches tall. You can pull the Cruiser XL like a traditional wagon or push it like a stroller. This wagon's rugged all-terrain tires are easily removable. The Cruiser XL weighs a total of 36.7 pounds, which is only slightly heavier than the original. It is also 38% lighter than other popular 4-seater wagons. Another feature that is carried over to the new design is its compact fold. Let's review the folding instructions. First, remove the snack tray and push up the footwell. Find the buttons located on either side of the seats and collapse them in. You will then collapse the sidewalls. Lastly, pull the 2 triggers on the handlebar and collapse the handlebar on top. For a more compact fold, you can also remove the wheels with the one-touch mechanism located on the inner part of the wheel. You can also store the wagon upright and it will stand up on its own. This compact fold makes it small enough to fit in almost any vehicle trunk. This wraps up our review of the new Veer Cruiser XL. We love this wagon for its innovative design and its ability to handle all terrain. You can shop for the Cruiser XL on babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping on orders of $95 or more. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.